what we have here is a 2025 Metan Classic Collection 17 Super Sport. This is a new model we just added to the line, bringing back the 17 Super Sport of the early to mid 70s. This Super Sport features a Sapelli mahogany interior finished in what has become Metan glass, utilizing the all-grip finishing products of Allwood and Allcraft 2000. This features a custom beach box with front and rear entry. It also features a Mills canvas, taupe, bimini top, finished off in a custom metallic silver motor paint that is a Yamaha 115. And all this is all part making it Metan.